Hey Barnum kids! If you're watching this video right now, congratulations, you just found the seed sprouting activity. This also means that you picked up a meal at your school. But wait, there's more. Each meal comes with an exciting new gift. That's right, you just got a brand new grow kit, and each grow kit comes with seeds, soil, a pot, and a growth chart. All of this was possible by these amazing sponsors: the Thomas E. Carroll Nutrition Center, Foodcorps Connecticut, Green Village Initiative, and Uconn. This video will teach you all about how to grow your own vegetables. So the first thing you want to do is enjoy your meal. I know you're super excited to start planting, but it's important to get your 5 food groups first: your protein, your dairy, grains, vegetables, and fruits. So pause this video and then we'll get to step 2. For step 2, before we start planting, you want to make sure that you have all of your materials. In each growth kit, you should see 1 seed, soil pellets, a growth chart, and a pot. Let's see how much you know about seeds. Here are some basic questions to ask before you get started. So, what does a seed need to grow? Well, many seeds need sunlight, nutrients, care, and water. So over the next 24 days, you will be watching your seed grow into a plant. You will be providing your seed with water, sunlight, and all the love that it needs to grow. Seeds come in all different shapes and sizes. And it also means that they grow into different vegetables. Which brings us to step 4. In step 4, you will now plant your seed. Ask a parent if you need help with this step. Start by taking your soil pellet and putting it in the pot. Next, add water to your soil pellet and wait for it to rise. After a few minutes, your soil pellet should look like this. You want to then take your seed and put it in the middle of the soil pellet and place your pot in a sunny location. And then after about a week, you should start seeing some growth. Which leads us to step 5, observation. Over the next 24 days, you will be marking and charting the growth of your plant in your growth chart journal. Treat this kind of like a science experiment. If your plant needs more water, then add more water. If your plant needs more sunlight, then add more sunlight. Now, step 6 is optional. After the 24 days are done, once your seed has grown into a baby seedling, it's time to transplant it. There are a few different options that you have for locations where you can transplant your seedling. You can transplant it at a school garden, a farm, or even your backyard. Hope you all enjoy your grow kits. We can't wait to see what you all grow in the spring. Bye!